Oh my god, that shit was crazy. The storm. Oh my god. Look at this, bro. Go run in the rain. I'm just kidding. Why is the fan on?
You know why the rain's going down? Gravity.
Yep. But why is this on?
Huh?
Why is this on?
Oh, you know how to open for
Like it's outside. Why would you need a fan? Is that hot?
before the rain, dummy.
I know, but why was it on, dummy?
It's hot without the rain.
It's not that hot. It's that hot. These are the greenery plants. Another problem with this camera, the mic don't damn work. So I need to get Darlene's phone quick ASAP. Christ. It says hella gloomy out here. Should I eat? What? Oh wait, isn't there an umbrella? I remember, hold on, I might go get an umbrella.